Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Curtis Construction Services. Congratulations to the entire team at Curtis Construction Services in Burbank, California, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and workmanship since 1989 with a lifetime of experience by the owner. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company, just like most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the Curtis Construction Services story. Curtis is one of the most positively reviewed companies of its kind in this part of the country. Clients simply love what Daniel Curtis and his team do. They are true craftsmen. Listing what Curtis does might take us a while. Curtis Construction Services works all over the greater Los Angeles area, specializing in exceptional kitchen and bathroom remodels, fantastic additions. Frankly, if you want a new home or a new driveway or everything in between, Curtis Construction does it, and according to our research, they do it really well. The Curtis team is very well organized. They have an in-house architect and designer, which really helps clients because they don't have to have 3 different firms on one job. Curtis is truly a one-stop firm. And there are no surprises with a Curtis Construction job. They do what they say they will do, period. Daniel Curtis has owned this business for almost 30 years now, but he literally grew up in the business. He worked for his uncle as a kid, and his uncle taught him that he should always be very well organized, give people high-quality work at a fair price, stay on time, on budget, and communicate really well with those clients. That will make for very successful relationships. Those principles have guided this company for 30 years now. Curtis is well known in this part of California for doing stunning custom work and really listening to what their clients want, then executing. At Best of the Best, we care most about what those real clients say about any business. The reviews and testimonials about Curtis Construction Services are simply fantastic. I mean, look at this work. Clients rave about the professionalism of the crews, the fact that Daniel is hands-on, he oversees the jobs, the craftsmanship, the value, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Curtis Construction Services every single day. Curtis is also a top-rated business on Thumbtack, BuildZoom, and Angie's List. They're members of NARI, the National Association of the Remodeling Industry, and HERO, which is a great state-run program in California that helps people finance their projects. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. The team at Curtis Construction Services has given back to many people and organizations over the years. We love that too. At Curtis Construction Services, they like to say, your family home is our family business. At Best of the Best, we like to say, congratulations to everyone at Curtis Construction Services in California on this national honor from Best of the Best, and way more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for 3 decades, the right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.